Today, a Williamson County jury heard how Ashley Kroese spent the hours leading up to the head-on collision that took the life of a Brentwood police officer, Destin Legeza.
Yeah, a number of people testified about what she had to drink in that span of 9 hours. News Channel 5's Hannah McDonald's been listening to the testimony. She is at the courthouse tonight.
Hannah, did those testimonies line up?
Not quite. 4 different accounts from people that were with Ashley Kroese on the night of June 17th into June 18th. And they were 4 different versions of that night in her company. We did hear from Max Jordan, who was the last person to be with her. He is a Kimbrough's employee, but he wasn't working that night, and he was also sober. He saw Ashley Kroese holding 1 beer while she was there and then a water. A man and a woman who went from OB Joyful to Kimbrough's with Kroese said cocktails were purchased for her at both locations, but couldn't confirm how much she consumed. They left 2 hours before her. The state then called the Kimbrough's bartender, who closed that night. She said she felt a need to keep an eye on Kroese's group, but did not say it was because Kroese was visibly drunk.
Why were you concerned about her sobriety and her ability to drive?
She or someone in the group was asking for water and a snack.
Did you notice anything at the time that she took this water that suggested to you that she was intoxicated?
The request for water.
So anytime somebody at Kimbrough's requests a water instead of a drink, you assume that they did so because they're intoxicated?
Amber had told me when they got there they had gone to another bar previous.
Investigators say that Kroese's blood alcohol content was 0.16, more than double the legal limit, an hour after the crash when that blood draw was taken at the hospital by nurses. To get the guilty verdict, the state has to prove to the jury that Kroese was drunk at the time that she hit and killed Officer Destin Legeza on Franklin Road in Williamson County. I'm Hannah McDonald, News Channel 5.